Hello students, how are you today? Hope you all are fine. Please take care of yourself students. Okay, now we'll move to our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, List and Images in HTML5. Now this chapter is for semester. Okay, so please all of you pay attention properly, and if you have any doubt then put your questions in the comment box. Okay, now first introduction part is there. HTML. Now all of you know what is HTML is. See, the full form of the HTML is a hypertext markup language, and it is used for creating web pages and websites. Now the extension for this file is html.html or .htm. Okay. Next, now what do you mean by the websites? See, the website is a collection of individual but related web pages that are hosted by a web server. These can be created using various languages: Sun Microsystem Java, HTML, Microsoft ASP, .NET, etc. Okay. Now we'll move to our main point, that is what are the list. What are the list? There are total 3 types of list in HTML. First is UL, that is unordered list. Second is OL, that is ordered list. Third is DL, that is definition list, means description list. Okay. Now we'll see what is the unordered list is. See here, the point is given here. Ordered doesn't matter. Means unordered means what? The order doesn't matter. Okay. And this is given you, that is the syntax of the ordered list here. Unordered list here. UL is the U means unordered and L is list. Okay. UL, and in that UL they are creating a list here. LI, that is a list. Bread, then fruits, these are the list is given here. Okay. Now this is order doesn't matter, means you can put bread at last also, you can put fruit as first or middle also. Okay. See, the example of this list is, this is the output of the unordered list. This is your syntax. Okay, this is your code syntax. Okay, HTML code, and this is the output of the unordered list. Next one is ordered list. What do you mean by the ordered list is, ordered in the list has context, means OL. O means ordered and L means list. This is the syntax of the OL, that is ordered list. See, 3 lists are created here: private, captain, general. Okay, 3 lists are created here. See, the ordered list is given. Ordered means this list is in the ordered, in the form of the ordered, like 1 2 3 or A B C likewise. Okay. Now next one is definition list, that is the description list. This is the list of terms and definitions. See, this is the big code is given here. Okay. DL is a definition or description list. See, the output of the description list is, this is the description, means this is the main heading is given here, a series of terms or a definition pairs. Then border radius, what do you mean by the border radius? Then the definition is given here. Then what is the browser prefixes? Then the definition is given here. Then what is the CSS animations? Then the definition is given here likewise. Okay, this is the definition list. And the last one is the nested list. Nested list means what? Nest list inside other list, means list inside other list. Okay. See here, nested list, the output is, see here, the bread, in that bread sub list is given. Okay. Then in that lunch meat sub list is given. in this fruit sub list is given. Likewise, this is called a nested list. Okay, likewise you saw the what is the list and what are the types of the list. Now we see how to create a list in the HTML. Practically we'll see now, and how to find out the output of the HTML. Okay, in your textbook page number 61 the simple program is given. Okay, how to create a list. First we create a unordered list. Okay, now first of all you have to open HTML document. Now how to open HTML document? Here go to start or directly type here notepad. Okay, we are going to type the HTML program in notepad. So go to start, then all program, then go to accessories, and then select the notepad. Otherwise directly type here to search, that is notepad. Okay, see the notepad app is showing me here. Click on this notepad app and open notepad here. Okay, I open notepad here. Now on page number 61 in your textbook, page number 61, figure number 3.1, the simple program is given, that is creating a list. I will type this program and show you how to find out the output. See, I type here program HTML head, title, then head close, body, li tag is given, body close and HTML close. In this program, this is the opening tag. Okay, if this slash is given here, that means it will close the tag. Okay, this is your closing tag and this is your opening tag. Okay, after that here this is called angular bracket. Okay, these twos are called angular bracket. How to give this angular bracket? On your keyboard, letter M on your key, this tag is there beside M. Okay, but below this tag the comma and dots are given, so you need to press shift key and give this tag. You need to press shift and angular bracket and then type here HTML, then head, title, then slash. Okay, type full program. Okay, after typing full program you need to save this program. Now how to save this program? Go to file and save here. Otherwise, see the shortcut key is given here, that is Ctrl plus S. You can click on Ctrl plus S, otherwise click on this save option. After clicking on this save option, please save your file on the desktop so you can find out it easily. Okay, after I am giving the file name here, that is suppose list.html. This is the extension of your HTML. You need to save this file likewise only, the list.html. List means instead of list you can give your name also, otherwise 1, 2, 3 any. You can give any name, but .html is very compulsory here, and click on the save button. Okay, after clicking on save button, okay, after saving this file, please minimize this file. Don't save this, don't close this file. Minimize this file and see on your desktop .html file is given here. See here list.html. It will save this file. Now open this file, double click and open this file and see the output here. See, this is the output, the first list item and the second list item. The two bullet dots are given here, two dots, that is a bullet list. Okay, this is called your unordered list, means you can put the second list item first also and first list item second also. Okay, it will not in proper order. This is called the unordered list. Okay students, all of you understood this is your simple program, the first and the simple program in the HTML chapter. Okay, so you can try this program at your home. If you have a computer at your home, please try this program, and if you have any doubt, and put your doubt questions in the comment box, so I will easily find out who are having the doubt and all. Okay, now the next one is the ordered list. The ordered list will continue in the next video. Okay students, thank you so much and take care.